What's up? Welcome back. I can almost show you this every day at Meineke Cinnaminson. 66, 166, 319. Maintenance require lights on. Next service due at 160,000 miles. So that's either 3 or 5,000 miles from the last oil change, right? 3 or 5. So we'll just say it's 3. And then he's at 166. So that's a 10,000 mile oil change on this Toyota. Not what you're supposed to be doing. So if that's a 5,000 mile oil change, so what's 5 and 6? 11,000 miles, right? No, wait. Is 9, right? So 160 we're going to call this. So that would be 9,000. And then if it's a 5,000, so in 5,000 miles it was due and he went 5, so 11,000 miles. 11,000 mile oil changes. Following the maintenance required light, it doesn't mean that you just need an oil change. Stop following the oil life indicator. It doesn't mean anything unless you know what's going on inside your engine at all times. That means you have to check it. Thanks for watching.